Hi, I'm William the Third Biang. I'm doing 20 bucks about myself. First thing, I'm 16 years old. I have two siblings. I like color black because black means everything. I also like to collect Hot Wheels car and motor. I like to watch car shows and motor shows. I also like to watch different kind of movie. And I also like to listen to music. And I always doing household chores, and I also like plants. I have many different kind of plant in my grandma's garden. I always like to thrift, go to other places to find different kind of clothes that I want to wear. Because thrifting is my happiness. I also like to go to different places to see the beaches. Because I love beach. I like to swim. I also want to be a businessman because my grandfather is a businessman. My father is a businessman too. I want to create my own company that help me grow wealth and help other people. I also want to have my own car dealership. And I also like to play different kinds of game. I also like to wear loose t-shirt and loose short because it's pressure. I also like to wear loose shirt and loose t-shirt because it's fresher than fitted. And that's all. Thank you.